Hi friends, this is Chanchal Sarkar. Discuss about total and average in Python. We take three numbers and find total and average. So first code is a equal a is integer type input double quote enter the value of a. Next b equal integer type input enter the value of b. Next c equal integer type input enter the value of c. Next total, find total. So t equal a plus b plus c. We accept previous t equal 0 for initialize, t equal and avg equal average equal 0, t equal a plus b plus c. Next average avg equals to a plus b plus c slash 3, or comment line or this line, or avg equal t slash 3, total slash 3. How many numbers? 3. Next, now result print. So print total comma t. Next print average av